Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your logo to your website in GoHighLevel. This is one of the first branding steps you should complete when setting up a new website, because your logo helps visitors instantly recognize your business and makes the site feel more professional. By the end, your brand mark will be sitting neatly in your site's header, right where visitors expect to see it. A clean logo placement also helps build trust, especially when someone lands on your website for the first time and wants to quickly understand who the business belongs to. Before we start, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer. A transparent PNG or an SVG usually looks best, and keeping it under a few hundred kilobytes will help your pages load quickly. If your logo has a background color behind it, it may not blend nicely with your website header, so a transparent version is usually the safest choice. Also, try to use a clean horizontal version of your logo if your header is wide and narrow. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Sites. This is where all your web assets live. You can think of this section as the main place for managing your websites, funnels, pages, forms, and other online assets inside GoHighLevel. Next, choose Websites. You'll see a list of the sites in your account. Find the website you want to update, then click to open it inside the website view. If you manage more than one website or client account, take a second to confirm you're opening the correct site before making changes. Go to the Pages section. Pick the specific page you want to edit, typically your home page, and click Edit to launch the page builder. The home page is usually the best place to start because it is often the first page visitors see. But you may also want to repeat the same logo update on other important pages if your header is not shared globally. The builder will open with a live preview in the center and your settings panel on the right. In the preview, click directly on the existing logo in the header. If you're using a template, that logo space is usually an image element at the top left. This top left area is common because most visitors naturally look there when they want to identify a brand or return to the home page. With the logo element selected, look to the right side panel and open the menu for that element settings. Scroll or browse until you find the brand logo option. This is where you'll connect your actual logo file. Make sure the correct element is selected, because if you click another image or section by mistake, you may not see the logo settings you need. Click the small image icon next to brand logo to open the media library. If your logo is already uploaded, you can select it here. If not, click Upload, then choose Upload File. The media library is where GoHighLevel stores your images and assets, so once the logo is uploaded, you can reuse it again later without uploading the same file every time. Navigate to your logo on your computer, select it, and click Open. Give it a moment to upload. You'll see a thumbnail appear in the library once it's ready. If you have multiple logo versions, such as dark, light, icon only, or full logo, choose the one that matches your header background and overall website design. Now click on the newly uploaded logo in the library to highlight it, and then choose Insert Media. Your logo will immediately appear in the builder preview in place of the placeholder. This lets you instantly see how the logo looks with your header layout, menu items, buttons, and spacing. If it looks too large or too small, you can adjust its size in the same settings panel. A width between about 150 and 300 pixels often works well for most headers, and using a higher resolution version can help prevent blurriness on high-density displays. Try to keep the logo clear but not oversized, because the header should look balanced and still leave enough room for your navigation menu and call to action button. That's all there is to it. You went to Sites, opened Websites, selected your site and page, clicked into the logo area, navigated to brand logo, uploaded your image, and inserted it. Once you understand this process, you can use the same basic steps whenever you need to update branding for a new website, a client project, or a refreshed business design. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you selected the correct page and that your logo file is clear and properly cropped. Also check the mobile view, because sometimes a logo that looks perfect on desktop may need a smaller size on mobile, so the header does not feel crowded. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your freshly branded website in GoHighLevel. Make sure to save your changes, preview the page, and publish the update when you're ready so visitors can see your new branded header live on the site.